Hi everyone, I'm Gina from Gina K Designs, and I'm just making a quick video to show you guys how to re-ink your ink pads. So I have a Turquoise Sea ink pad right here, and I have a very beat up Turquoise Sea re-inker. This is a very easy thing for you to do. All you have to do is open up the re-inker, and what you're going to do is you're going to start at one corner and you're going to squeeze ink out of your re-inker in a Z pattern. See, you can see that Z pattern. Then turn your pad a quarter turn and do it again in a Z pattern, down on an angle. Then go straight across on the vertical. All right. So I'm just going straight across on the vertical. And then I'm going to turn it and I'm going to go straight across on the horizontal. This is going to give you the most ink spread out as possible. Now, I wouldn't use the pad right away. I would let it sit for a little bit, maybe about an hour, and allow it to kind of seep and spread all over that pad. Now for your ink cubes, you're going to do them the same exact way. You're going to go on the angle on each side and then go vertical and then turn it and go vertical again because they're square. So that's how easy re-inking your Gina K Designs ink pads and ink cubes are. I hope this helped, and I'll see you again for another quick tip soon. Bye-bye.